Hello Jr4, welcome to your second lesson for this year. Concept 1, Lesson 2. Types of adaptation, structural adaptation and behavioral adaptation. Structural adaptation or physical adaptation, it's a change in the structure of animal's body to adapt its environment. Examples: blood vessels in the penguin's feet or the thick fur for the polar bear. Behavioral adaptation, change in the behavior or acts of a group of animals to adapt its environment. And we have two examples for these. Desert lizard looks for shade area during hot sunny days, and migration of some animals toward certain regions. Now we will study the two types of adaptation on two animals. Number 1, Fennec Fox, which lives in hot desert. Structural adaptation of the Fennec Fox: it has a tan-colored coat or sandy-colored fur, which provides camouflage to hide in a sandy, rocky environment and protect it from the sun. It has extra large ears, and it has a special shape of ears. Fennec Fox behavioral adaptation: it pants like a dog, it lives in burrows, it eats different types of food.
Number 2, Arctic fox. It lives in tundra, which is a different type of desert with temperature as cold as 50 degrees Celsius, below zero, in the winter months. Its structural adaptation: it has a thick fur coat to keep its body warm. Its fur coat is white during winter and turns brown in summer when the snow melts, to help it to sneak up on prey in any season. It has short ears and legs to help it stay warm. It has a special shape of ears that allows excellent hearing to help Arctic fox hunts.
Behavioral adaptation of Arctic fox: it lives in burrows and it eats different kinds of food like the Fennec fox. Adaptation of bull shark to survive in its environment. There are many types of sharks. Most of them can only live in salt water, but bull shark live in both fresh water and salt water. Structural adaptation of bull shark: its body is adapted to survive in fresh water, so it has a unique advantage over other sharks.
Bull shark has a dark back and wide belly that causes the following. When an animal swimming above the bull shark, looking down into the ocean, may not see the shark in the shadows due to its dark back. When an animal swimming underneath the bull shark and looking up, the bull shark may blend in with the bright light of sun due to its wide belly, so the bull shark can sneak up on prey using camouflage strategy called counter shading. It has sharp teeth to help it sneak up its prey. Behavior adaptation in bull shark: it can hunt in different places, salt or fresh water. It hunts in the day as well as night. Tiger chameleon or panther chameleon. It's type of lizard, like the lizard that lives in desert, but this one lives in the tropical rainforest. Panther chameleon structural adaptation. Its body is covered with colored scales that provides camouflage with the surrounding that contains green trees and colorful flowers. Like you can see in the picture here, it has V-shaped feet to stick to tree branches. It has very long sticky tongue to hunt insects for feeding. Chameleon eyes move in opposite directions to be able to escape from enemies. Behavioral adaptation for chameleon. When there is danger, it puffs up its body with air and opens its mouth wide and change the color of its scales.